Samsung A13, exploring the feature-rich potential. One of the leading tech manufacturers, Samsung, brings an upgraded variant to its A-series lineup with a brand new Galaxy A13, continuing to be one of Samsung's cheapest models ever produced. Budget smartphones have become very common nowadays as the market is flooded with affordable handsets. However, Samsung primarily opts to keep things nice and simple with its pocket-friendly smartphones like the Galaxy A13, the follow-up to its Galaxy A12. But is this smartphone worth spending money on? Let's dive deep and figure it out. If you're a bit tight with your budget, this mid-range Samsung phone would suit you best. The handset features a big, charming display, expandable storage, and a 500 mAh battery, so you can get going with it. All of the mentioned goodness comes for a tempting price of $190. Protected by Gorilla Glass 5, the Galaxy A13 boasts a 6.6-inch AMOLED display, brightened by 2408 by 1080 resolutions and 165 by 76 by 8.8mm dimensions, which goes well with browsing, gaming, and movie watching. As plastic phones are usually lighter than metallic ones, the Galaxy A13 is no featherweight for being only 195 grams. The device is available in 3 colors: Awesome Black, Awesome White, and Awesome Blue.